Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with another stock market investing video. Today we have some exciting news. We have a quick profile update. You'll see we're up 4% in the day, so that's super exciting. I'm sure everyone's stocks are going up right now. Yesterday we had the big fall that we did talk about. We were up really good on the account, about 9% in the week, and then all of a sudden, in just a matter of a couple minutes, we fell. So today I want to go over some stocks I'm in, which ones I'm up on. A lot of people are asking me, how's your account growing so quick? So I want to answer some of those questions and go over some specific stocks that I'm in, that I'm up 30% or more on as well. Okay, so the first one we have is RVLV, ticker symbol. It's Revolve Group, so it's up 5% today alone. In the last week, it's up about 10% and about 18% in the last 3 months. So I'm up about 56% on this one. I bought in at about $11 a share with RVLV. If you guys don't know this company, they're like an online retailer. So they're actually specializing in like the next generation fashion for millennial consumers. And they actually have been having some good quarters. I've been buying this stock for a while. You can kind of see have a long history with them. So I've been buying them since February 5th. Was one of the first times I actually started buying them. So almost about 8 months ago as well. And you'll actually see their analysts love them right now. I'm up 57% overall. Also, I own them on my Webull account as well. You'll see I'm up 124% on my Webull account. $333 up total on RVLV. And on my Webull account, you'll see down here, I actually started buying them $319. This is just going to be a quick video so you can kind of see what stocks I'm in. So the next one is Tapestry, TPR, ticker symbol, up about 6% today. You'll actually see I've been cashing on them a lot. I'm up 45% total. And if you don't know them, they do like Coach purses, like Coach, Kate Spade. They own all that stuff. So they're really big in like China as well. But you can kind of see I've been cashing out on them. Originally, I did buy about $185 worth, and then I sold a lot, and then I sold some more. So I'm still left with some here as well. Let's look at my Webull account because I own more of them too. So TPR on Webull, I'm up 32%, about $100. We started buying them $721. So again, we're gonna just keep this brief, just so you can kind of see what stocks I'm in, what stocks I'm up on, and a little bit about the stock too. If there's a specific stock you want me to actually go in more detail on, because this is going to be a quick video, comment it below. I actually already did a technical analysis video on Upwork, so you can probably find that one if you're interested in it. Up about 44% in 1 month. If you scroll down, you'll see I'm up 33% on this stock as well, $127. And Upwork, they're kind of like Fiverr, if you've ever heard of Fiverr, like freelancing. So Fiverr has shot up. Freelancing is really big right now, so Upwork can be a good one. Now, this is my Webull account. This stock, Upwork, is the newest one on this list. I just started buying them. You'll actually see September 3rd. And I'm up $37 on this account too, my Webull account. 37%, $74. So Foot Locker is the next, ticker symbol FL, up 3% today. We have about $500 worth. We're up $133 on this one. They have a really good market cap, about $4 billion, PE ratio of 19, and analysts are saying buy. Everyone knows Foot Locker too, so they're a pretty straightforward one. Why Foot Locker stock is trading higher today, so you can read these. I always recommend, if you are interested in a stock, to start reading some articles and see what analysts and everyone's saying. Analysts, they're not really important, to base everything off what analysts are saying, but it's just good to know what's going on. And I also like reading like the bears and bulls and stuff. This one doesn't have it, but sometimes you can find like what the bears are saying, what the bulls are saying. All right, and then the fifth one is going to be Toll Brothers, ticker symbol TOL. They're up about almost 3% today at one point. So I would have had 3% extra. We would have been above 50, but we're up 49% on TOL. They're a good company too. Custom Homes have been really big lately, and they're one of the biggest, like, custom home. They're really, multi-million dollar homes. They're not going to just do like an average home. And I've been buying this one for a while too. You can kind of see I have a long history with them since December of last year. Been buying them as well. So you can kind of see their earnings, their beating earnings, and you can kind of see what the bulls are saying as well. So feel free to read this on your own time. And then you'll also see I own them on my Webull account too. So we're up 174% on Toll Brothers on my Webull account. $120 total. I think I only put like $70 in on this one, and we made 120 back. So obviously that's the goal every time. It's not that easy every time. You can see I bought them in 4/1. So April 1st, and that's when like coronavirus was real. And the market had a lot of uncertainty in it as well. And then in one honorable mention, we'll actually throw in Facebook. I'm not up 30%. I'm up 29%, but I just thought I would throw it in there as an honorable mention because I am up $834, which is one of my biggest positions. You can see I have $3,600 in Facebook currently. So it's a nice honorable mention. And I love this stock around $250. I'm going to be buying 250. I'm going to be buying 240. I'm going to be buying 230. I'll probably be buying 260 because I'm super long on this stock. This is one of my favorite stocks in the stock market. I love Facebook. I love Google. I even love Apple too. I just want Apple to be a little bit more attractive on the pricing. They're a little bit overvalued in my opinion. So guys, I hope that video did help you out a little bit. Kind of an inside look on some stocks I'm up 30% or plus on. If you did like the video, feel free to drop a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And the first couple comments on my YouTube, I'm going to be giving away $5 to the first 5 comments. So if you did make it this far in the video and you leave a comment, screenshot it, send it to me in my DMs on Instagram that you commented on my YouTube video, on this YouTube video, and I'll send you $5 to the first 5 people. Also, if you want to join my close friends, shoot me a DM about my close friends. I'm going to be adding about 5 more people so I can give everyone enough attention. And stay tuned. I post stories all the time on my Instagram, so it's up to date. I post every 2 or 3 hours to keep you guys in the loop with what's going on. So if you want the stock market news as soon as it happens, follow me on Instagram too. And remember, guys, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.